Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can add a recording on your Google Workshop or Google Notes. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So I'm just going to click Keep Notes or Google Workshop. Then here you'll get two options. You can use these two options. Like you can see this icon, when you click there and it start recording, or you can take the new document. So you can see the plus icon, simply click on this and then click the plus icon, this one, click on this, then you will get the four option recording. So recording, so I'm making videos on, like, there is a one recording audio it's running on. So when you click recording, then you can say anything. So just let me try, and you can use this, or you can say anything, then it will be recorded. So okay friend, today's normal. Thank you for watching this video.